What's up, YouTube? This is Mitchell or Mitchell Makes Vids. Welcome to another Stack Video. It's July 25th, and today we are going to be discussing CNC. Okay, so here we go. So, healthcare stack shakeup is Centene CNC a hidden gem? Let's unpack this in just 60 seconds. So, Centene is a healthcare giant focusing on Medicaid, Medicare, and ACA marketplace plans, serving 28 million members with 147 billion in 2024 revenue, up 4%. The leading government-sponsored programs offering insurance, pharmacy services, and behavioral health across 50 states. CNC's at $26.79, down 43% this year after a Q2 loss of 16 cents per share, missing estimates of 23 cents. Revenue hit 48.7 billion, beating forecasts, but soaring medical costs and a 1.8 billion ACA revenue cut tanked shares. Analysts rated a hold with a $45 target, trading at 0.5x book value. CNC screams value, but lawsuits and Medicaid cost trends spell risk. It's a high stakes bet for contrarians eyeing healthcare's long term growth. So, in closing, are you bullish on CNC? Like, comment, and subscribe for more stock insights. Always research before investing, and we'll see you next time.